IKEA. We're going to the biggest IKEA in Los Angeles, and Rodeo gets lost.
It's Candy Can
And Baby J, and welcome to the Unicorn Family.
Hey, it's Candy Can
And Baby J.
and Julie in the back. Woo. And who else? Papito, the one and only. And we're all in pink today. It's Pink Day.
It's Pink Day on Wednesdays.
Every day is Pink Day.
No, on Wednesdays we wear pink.
Okay.
It ain't even Wednesday though. So we're all in pink, as you can see. Literally, Papito is also wearing pink. And we decided
Wait
that...
a minute. Isn't only pink for girls?
No, pink is for boys and girls.
Absolutely agree. Every color is for everybody. We dress however we want.
That's right, Unicorn Family.
That's
you guys,
right.
You guys already know that about us, though. So we were like, what should we do today? And there's only one answer, and of course, it's we have to go to IKEA.
That's right.
So we're
first of all, Julius is here.
Yeah.
He needs a bunch of stuff. We need curtains. Ooh, we need curtains, definitely.
Okay, Julius needs curtains because in the morning he's like, it's way too bright. So we need blackout curtains for his room. Aside from all of that stuff, the real reason I'm going to IKEA is because of, that's right, Unicorn Family, the cheapest, most yummiest food there is at like a place like this.
Yeah, comment right
So-
now. Have you ever eaten at IKEA? And also, how are you doing?
And how are you doing? What's going
How's the
on?
Unicorn Family?
We hope you guys are doing amazing. I know
Yeah.
we like took a little bit of a break, but we're back now, and we decided we're gonna just take you along with us and share with you like, you know, a typical cool, fun day with the Unicorn Family. And
right.
remember, we're not only 3 now; we are the 4 Musketeers.
Oh my goodness. 2 in the back, 2 in the front.
2 in the back and 2 in the front.
Also, Q&A with Julius is coming up. We're planning it right now.
Yes, I know you guys want to know more about Julie, so don't worry, we got you. We're gonna do a Q&A and tell you all about what kind of girlfriend he's looking for. Oh, I mean, all about him.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Are we?
Are we there yet?
Alright, Unicorn Family, we made it to IKEA and we're gonna do a crazy hide and seek here. This is the biggest IKEA in LA and the only one. Hey guys. Hello. What the hell? Puppy, look what I got for you. That's ball. That's ball.
Oh.
Hey. Oh, that's ball. That's ball. Puppy.
Whoa.
What do you think about my outfit, baby?
It's really cool, actually. I would wear it too. It's really shiny, and it's probably comfortable.
Puppy.
And I love Julie's outfit.
And we're all matching.
Super cute.
It smells good. I can smell the meatballs. Lengua. La lengua.
Hello. Hi.
We're moments away of getting something in our belly.
Oh my god.
12 seconds later.
Ooh, puppy. Absolutely, there's the lengua. La lengua. Okay, ready? Okay, run. Oh, I think he is good actually.
Okay guys, so I'm hiding right now. Know where we are.
Okay, let's go, Unicorn Fam. Dapper, dapper, dapper. Gotcha.
Got me.
All right, Julie is next. Oh, I'm gonna get lost hard. All right, Papa. What about here behind the curtains? Oh. Go, Papa, go. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Found him, found him, found him. Okay, in the next round, Julie is gonna look for us and we're gonna hide more.
Okay.
We'll start counting.
3, go.
10, 9, 7, 6, 5. Ready, go, go, go. Okay, I think this is a good spot. Okay, Papa. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm coming. Ooh, 3, 2, 1, I'm coming. Oh, what the hell?
Oh shoot, I can't close the door. The door doesn't close.
Okay, good. You gotta be super quiet, Papa. They're not in the door. Where are they? Oh, oh. No. Nothing. No. Okay, good. You gotta be super quiet, Papa. You gotta be super quiet. Oh, I hear something. What the hell? I found him. Vito made a noise. Oh no, we got found, Papa. What the heck? But that was a good spot. That was a really good spot.
Yeah, what about Baby J now?
Oh, what about Baby J? Can I get a tip? Oh.
Got him.
What the hell? Oh my god. Dang, that was a good spot.
1 hour later.
Alright, Unicorn family, Papito's gonna choose his first pet. Okay, Papa, we're gonna let you choose.
¿Cuál quiere, mi amor? ¿Cuál
You can
quiere?
choose it.
Mire.
They're all pretty gone. Which one do you like, Papa? Huh? We have tiger.
Or maybe take them
Leopard?
out
Oh, yeah.
so you can choose wisely.
Okay, okay. Unicorn family, we're all about choices. It's very important that you don't put your kid in one direction. Let him choose himself. Papa. No, Papa, look.
Which one do you want?
You can choose whatever you want, Papa. You can choose.
¿Cuál quiere? Mire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look, we got a piggy. We have a tiger.
Un dinosaurio. This one. This one.
Good choice, monks.
Good choice.
Good choice, monks.
Right, Unicorn family. IKEA hide and seek was a success.
Should we do 24 hours only eating IKEA food because it was yummy?
It was pretty yummy.
Yep.
But
Should we do it? Yes or no? Yes
Did
or
we
no?
do it?
yeah.
Tell me, Papa. And Papito got a freaking crocodile, aka Mr. T-Rex.
And also we found a
Yeah.
potty unicorn family because I think Rodeo is ready. He's basically a toddler now. So that's super fun.
That's gonna be the next episode.
Yeah.
Pooping episode number 1 is coming up. Who's excited?
It was a success, unicorn family. So we're gonna pack everything up in the car, get home because Rodeo has to sleep. So yeah, let's go home. Dinner time.
Alright, Unicorn family, we're back home.
We're back home.
The bolognese has started. The feast. The feast has started. Lengua.
Lengua.
Papa, do you want more or all done? More or all done? More. Oh, very Papa, you're gonna get more.
Okay, and then we're gonna take a bath and go to sleep. Sleep time.
And Unicorn family, we heard that you guys want a day routine in a 1-year-old. So if that is right, comment right now.
So let us know if you guys want to see what that looks like. And today was so much fun. We love you guys so much. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
Ooh, and before we forget it, baby, do you want to share what's on your foot?
Oh my gosh, I'll tell them next time.
Show them.
No,
We got
I don't want to show
a
them.
little sneak peek.
Okay.
Oh my god, Unicorn family, very sad news, but baby J has something on her foot. I don't know if you can see, but
It's like, okay, this is my ankle,
Uh-huh.
and then here
heck
is
is
like,
that?
yeah.
oh my god.
So
So we're gonna take care of that probably in one of the next upcoming episodes, but
yeah,
that's
we'll let
very
you guys know. We'll update you on what's going on with my ankle. Heck. And that's right.
Are you in pain?
Yes, it hurts.
Oh man. Oh man, Papito, what do you say about that? Oh, you cannot grab it. Look at your hand. Are you
Oh.
crazy? Absolutely not. You gonna say bye to the Unicorn family?
Say bye.
Can you say bye? Can you say ciao ciao, adios?
Ciao.
Unicorn family, we are out. We love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next episode.